How to recover deleted Facebook post from recycle bin. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on it, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now in here, simply scroll down and search for Activity Log and click on Activity Log, which will lead you to this page. In here, click on Trash. After you click on Trash in here, you will find this kind of screen. You will find all your deleted posts. Now simply click on the post you want to recover and press on Restore at the bottom. Then press on Restore again. After that, you can go back to your profile and you'll find the same post. And this is a recover deleted Facebook post from recycle bin. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.